they want you to prove x, y, z is equal to x plus y plus z plus 2. Now transfer this negative term to RHS. Then we'll have a plus b, so it is 3 power 2x minus 10 times 3 power x plus 9. Then you can solve it and you get the x. 5 power y is equal to, I can say 5 power 1, bases are same, therefore y solution, solve means find the unknown. So bases are same, equal, 2x is equal to 2, so x is what? 1. Now LHS is in the form a power m by a power n. All of you know what is a power m by a power n? A power m minus n. Welcome to the session, dear students. In today's class, I'll go ahead with exercise problems. So we have 5 markers. For each type, one problem I'll be doing so that you can apply the same to continue all other problems. So now they gave if a power x is bc, b power y is ca and c power z is ab, they want you to prove x, y, z is equal to x plus y plus z plus 2. See, please understand, we can use law of indices if bases are same. So take any one given condition and go on solving. So I'll take what is given. What is given? A power x is equal to bc is given. I'll take it. And I want x, y, z. So what I'll take power y on both sides. Interesting. Take power y on both sides. Y on both sides. If you do that, LHS becomes a power x whole power y is equal to b power y, c power y. So that will become a power xy is equal to, you know the value of b power y. Here, what is value of b power y? Ca. In the place of b power y, I'll write c into a. And c power y will be as it is. Now I got xy, but if you see, I want x into y into what? Z. So take power z on both sides. Take power z on both sides. Take power z on both sides. If you do that, LHS becomes a power x y power z is equal to, RHS becomes c into a into c power y whole power z. So now law of indices, a power m whole power n is a power m into n. So this will become a power x into y into z. So now take z inside, so it will become c power z, a power z, c power y into z. So now here I have base a. Try to make everything base a. If it is already base a, don't disturb. So here I have c power z. What is c power z given? C power z is a into b. Instead of c power z, I'll write a into b. Here I have a power z. Don't disturb this. Then c power yz, I'll write c power z whole power y. Can I write like this? All of you know a power m whole power n is a power m into n. Y into z, I'll write z whole power y. Because I know the value of what? C power z. What is value of c power z? ab. See here, in spite of c power z, I can put ab. Here I have a, b, a power z. I'll write a separately, a power z separately, and I'll write b at the end. And c power z, you know what is c power z? What is c power z? ab. In the place of c power z, I'll put ab. Whole power right, I have y. Now I'll take y inside. So I have a power z, b, a power y, and again b power y will have. So now when I take y inside, b power y, you know the value of b power y, it is given. What is b power y? Ca. Substitute it. So now a power xyz is equal to a power z, then we have a power y. I am grouping all a terms to one side. Then we have b and b power y. See, I have b and b power y. So let b be as it is. B power y. What is b power y? B power y is ca. Instead of b power y, I'll write c into a. So now a power a into a power z into a power y into one more a I have, and b c. Separately I have bc. So now I can use law of indices. Before that, bc value. See, what is bc? Very interesting. What is bc? B into c is a power x. Instead of bc, I'll put a power x. Now a power z, a power y, a again, bc is a power x. Now if law of indices, all of you know a power m into a power n is a power m plus n. So now bases are same, add the powers. Here I have 1 plus z plus 1 plus y. Here 1, a means a power 1 plus x. So now 1 plus 1 is 2. So I can write as a power 1 plus 1 is 2 plus y z x. You should add. I'll add in order x plus y plus z. So LHS what we have, a power x y z, a power x into y z. So now you can see both the sides bases are same. Since bases are same, I can equate the powers. Since bases are same, equate the powers. Equating the powers. What is the power here? X into y into z. What is the power there in RHS? 2 plus x plus y plus z. Or I'll write x plus y plus 2 plus z. Hence the proof. See, the only aim is to make the bases same. If bases are same, we can use law of indices. See here, first I took first condition, a power x is equal to by. I observed I need x into y into z. So first I took power y on both sides. Then I simplified. Then I took power z on both sides. Then I simplified. And wherever possible, I am converting everything in terms of a. So once everything becomes a power m into a power n is a power m plus n. So I can add the powers. Once the bases are same, you can equate the powers. Hence the proof. Next, a cube plus a power 1 by 3 plus b power 1 by 3 plus c power 1 by 3 is 0. Then they want you to show a plus b plus c the whole cube is 27 abc. In order to prove problems of this kind, first you should be thorough with whole identity. So now I'll take this condition and I'll cube on both sides. So a power 1 by 3 plus b power 1 by 3 plus c power 1 by 3 is equal to 0 they give. Cubing on both sides. Let us cube on both sides. If you cube on both sides, we'll have a power 1 by 3 plus b power 1 by 3 plus c power 1 by 3 whole cube is equal to 0 cube. So now a plus b plus c the whole cube. First you should know the formula for a plus b plus c the whole cube, which is most important. What is a plus b plus c the whole cube? A cube plus b cube plus c cube plus 3 times a plus b into b plus c into c plus a, cyclic. This is most important identity. A plus b plus c the whole cube is what? A cube plus b cube plus 3 times a plus b plus plus c, c plus a. Same formula. Here a means a power 1 by 3, b means b power 1 by 3, c means c power 1 by 3. A cube means a power 1 by 3 whole cube plus b cube means this whole cube, b power 1 by 3 whole cube plus c means c power 1 by 3 whole cube plus 3 times a plus b. A plus b means what? A power 1 by 3 plus b power 1 by 3 into b plus c means b power 1 by 3 plus c power 1 by 3 into a plus c means what? A power 1 by 3 plus c power 1 by 3. A plus b, b plus c, c plus a or a plus c. So now a power m whole power n. A power m whole power n is what? A power m into n. 1 by 3 into 3. 3 cancels. It will be a. Here 3 cancels. It will be b. Here 3 cancels. It will be c plus 3 times. See, from the given condition, from this, if a power 1 by 3 plus b power 1 by 3 plus c power 1 by 3 is 0, then sum of any two will be negative of other. So now what is a power 1 by 3 plus b power 1 by 3? A power 1 by 3 plus b power 1 by 3, transfer this to other side, so minus c power 1 by 3. This is the format we'll use. So now I have a power 1 by 3 plus b power 1 by 3, I'll write minus c power 1 by 3. Similarly, b plus c I'll write minus a power 1 by 3. Similarly, a plus c I'll write minus b power 1 by 3 is equal to what? 0. So now simplify this. If you simplify, LHS becomes a plus b plus c. So plus into minus is, see here, plus into minus, minus into plus, minus. So 3 times if you multiply minus, you will get minus. Minus 3 times. We have a power 1 by 3, b power 1 by 3, c power 1 by 3. Right side is equal to 0. Now transfer this negative term to RHS. Then we'll have a plus b plus c is equal to, it will become 3 times a power 1 by 3 into b power 1 by 3 into c power 1 by 3. Now cube on both sides. Because they wanted to prove a plus b plus c the whole cube. So now again cube on both sides. Cubing on both sides. So LHS becomes a plus b plus c the whole cube. RHS becomes 3 a power 1 by 3, b power 1 by 3, c power 1 by 3 whole cube. Minus, here minus goes the side, become plus. So now LHS what we need. Now cube you take it inside, it will become 3 cube, and 1 by 3 cancels, it will be A, and 1 by 3 cancels, it will be B, 1 by 3 cancels, it will be C. Every term becomes cube, 3 cube, this cube, this cube. So 3 cube is 27, 27 A, B, C, hence the proof. Therefore, hence the proof. One of the interesting questions, but you can solve this question if and only if you know A plus B plus C the whole cube. What is A plus B plus C the whole cube, my dear students? So this is a hint of the problem. What is the hint of the problem? Identity. A plus B plus C the whole cube in maths is A cube plus B cube plus 3 times A plus B into B plus C into C plus A. So, and you know A cube, A power 1 by 3 plus B power 1 by 3 plus C power 1 by 3 is equal to 0 is given. So transfer this, sum of two terms is negative of other. So that's what we'll put it in the brackets. And here A cube, B cube, C cube will take and we'll use. And repeatedly we are using A power m whole power n. What is A power m whole power n? A power m into n, law of indices. One of the good problems. Practice this. And in order to solve these kind of problems, first you should thorough with identity. Let us solve with question number 5. They want you to solve. Solve means find the value of x. They gave 3 power 2x minus 10 times 3 power x plus 9. See, please understand, you know A power m whole power n is A power m into n. So here I have 3 power 2x. I can write it as 3 power x whole square minus 10 into 3 power x plus 9 is equal to 0. Now let us assume this 3 power x value, I'll take it as capital X. Now the given problem becomes capital X square minus 10 into capital X plus 9 is equal to 0. So now what are the factors for 9? If you multiply, you should get 9, and if you add, you should get minus 1. Minus 9 into minus 1. Minus 9 into minus 1 is plus 9, and thus. So do middle term factorization. I can write x square minus 9x minus x plus 9 is equal to 0. Now I will take x common. If I take x common, x minus 9 minus 1 common, again it will become x minus 9. Again I can write x minus 9. If you take common, x minus 9 into x minus 1 equal to 0. So we have two values. X minus 9 is 0. That is x gives you 9. And the other one, x minus 1 is 0. That is x is 1, or we say x means 3 power x. 3 power x is 9 and 3 power x is 1. So please understand, 3 power x 9 means I can write 9 as what? 3 power x is equal to, can I write 3 square? When bases are same, I can equate the powers. Therefore, one of the small x is 2. One solution you got. The other part is what? 3 power x is equal to 1. So you know anything power 0 is 1. So 1 can be written as 3 power 0. Now bases are same, so x is equal to 0. The solution set is x is equal to 0 comma 2. Two values will satisfy this equation. So it is 3 power 2x minus 10 times 3 power x plus 9. Then you can solve it and you get the x. So what is the logic? This 3 power x, when I saw, I assume it as a capital X so that it will become a quadratic equation. Once it becomes quadratic equation, you learned in high school middle term factorization. Factors for 9, minus 9 and minus 1. If you multiply, you will get plus 9. If you add, you will get minus 10. Then factorize and get capital X. Capital X, you substitute it as 3 power x and make the bases same to get the answer. One of the standard and important questions, practice this. Then same, 5 into 5 power 2y minus 26 into 5 power y plus 5 equal to 0. Here 5 into 5 power 2y they give. So you can take 5 power y whole square, and this 5 power y you take it as capital X. So it will become 5x square. Like that it goes on. So now let us assume, let us take the given problem. So 5 into, can I write 5y whole square minus 26 into 5 power y plus 5 is equal to 0. Now what is the method? Take let capital X is equal to 5 power y. The given problem becomes 5x square minus 26 into x plus 5 is equal to 0. Do you agree? Now middle term factorization. For that, what you should do, you should multiply these two. What is that? 5 5s are 25. What are the factors for 25 that gives you minus 26? Minus 25 minus 1. So I can write this as what? 5x square minus 25x minus x plus 5. If I multiply, I'll get plus 25. If I add, I'll get minus 26. So now take 5x common. So it will become x minus 5. And in these two, take minus 1 common. It will become x minus 5. and in these two take x minus 5 common, it will become x minus 1 is equal to what? 0. So x minus 5 is 0 is one solution, the other one is x minus 1 equal to 0 is other solution. So x becomes 5, here x becomes 1, and what is the assumption? What is x? 5 power y. 5 power y is 5, so means 5 power y is equal to, I can say 5 power 1, bases are same, therefore y solution. Solve means find the unknown. Unknown in the given problem is y we got. Here 5 power y is equal to 1. So you know 1 if I want anything power 0, so therefore y is 0. Two solutions, y is 0 and y is 1. These are the two solutions. So here taking what? This as a variable and making it as a quadratic equation and solve. Next we have same 5 power 2x plus 1 plus 25 power x plus 1 is equal to what? 150. So now what I'll do, I'll write it as 5 power 2x into 5, law of indices. 25 I'll write it as 5 square whole power x plus 1 is equal to 150. Now I'll simplify, I'll write it as 5 times 5 power 2x or 5 power x whole square plus, here I'll write it as 5 power 2x plus 2 ones are 2 is equal to 150. I'll go on simplifying it, 5 into 5 power x whole square plus again here I'll write 5 power 2x into 5 square. A power m plus n is a power m into a power n, 150. I can reduce, divide by 5 on both sides. So 5 into 5 power x whole square plus again this can be written as 5 square. 5 square is 25. 25 into 5 power x whole square is equal to 150. I'm writing 5 power 2x as 5 power x whole square and 5 square I'll write as 25. Now 5, 25, 150 we have. Divide by 5 on both sides. If you divide by 5 on both sides, the problem reduces. So I'll have 5 power x the whole square plus 5 into 5 power x the whole square is equal to 150. Now further I can take 5 power x the whole square, do you agree? Directly, so this will become 1 plus 5 is equal to 150. Now I'll have 5 power x the whole square into 6 is 150 because we have only two terms here. 5 power x whole square is equal to 150 divided by 6. Simplify this. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 36 5s are 25. So 5 power I'll take it as 2x only is equal to what? 25. Simple. 5 power 2x is 25. So I can say 5 power 2x is equal to 5 square. So therefore by making the bases same, 2x is 2, x is 2 divided by 2, x is 1. So solution is x is 1 because I got 25. 5 power 2x is 5 square. So bases are same, equal. 2x is equal to 2. So x is what? 1. In the place of x if I put 1, it will satisfy. This is one method of solving this. Next we have 7 power 3 minus 2x by 7 power 5 minus x is 49. Always make the bases same. Solve means find the value of x. 3 power minus 2x divided by 7 power 7 minus 5x is equal to, can I write this as 7 square 49? 7 square 3x minus 14. Now LHS is in the form a power m by a power n. All of you know what is a power m by a power n? A power m minus n. So it will become 7 power 3 minus 2x minus 7, take it up, it will become plus 5x is equal to law of indices. A power m whole power n is a power m into n. 2 3s are 6x minus 14 2s are 28. Now bases are same. First we'll simplify as much as possible. So now 3 minus 7 is minus 4. 5x minus 2x is 3x. And 7, this will become minus 4. And here 6x minus 28. So now you can see bases are same. If bases are same, you can equate what? Powers. So equate the powers. So therefore 3x minus 4 is exactly 6x minus 28. So rearrange. So 3x minus 6x is equal to minus 28 plus 4, or minus 3x is equal to minus 24, or x is minus 24 divided by minus 3, or x is positive 8. So minus minus cancels, 3 ones are 3 8s are. In every problem try to make the bases same so that you can equate the powers, and to make the bases same use law of indices. So these are the standard 5 markers. By this I am concluding the chapter called Theory of Indices. Sit and practice each and every problem. Today, whatever I have done, they are the problems which are basic problems, and work out the worked examples also. Thanks for attending. I'll see you in my next session.